Today we're looking at the DJI Mavic 3 Pro, one of the latest flagship drones from DJI. The drone is designed for prosumers, dedicated hobbyists, and anyone who wants high quality aerial footage without giving up portability. The Mavic 3 Pro has got a triple camera setup with a 4/3 CMOS Hasselblad sensor as the main camera, a 70mm telephoto lens, and a 166mm telephoto lens for those tight zoom shots. It can shoot 5.1K video at 50 frames per second and 4K up to 120 frames per second. Plus you get 12-bit RAW photos for tons of editing flexibility. With an advertised 46 minutes of flight time, this drone lets you capture a lot without constant battery changes. The Mavic 3 Pro is smooth and responsive, even in high winds. DJI's omnidirectional obstacle sensing works well, keeping you safe from most crashes. And with the DJI RC Pro controller, you're getting a bright built-in screen with super low latency. Makes the whole experience more immersive. The image quality is impressive. That Hasselblad camera captures rich, natural colors, while the telephoto lens lets you get unique angles without moving the drone too close. However, I'd say the telephoto lens camera's image quality doesn't match the main camera. It's good for specific shots, but lacks a bit of sharpness. The 70mm telephoto lens is the sweet spot. It's crisp and great for cinematic shots without needing to fly in too close. On the downside, this is a pricey drone, and if you don't need all three cameras, it might be overkill. Also, the advertised 46 minutes of flight time is more like 25 to 30 minutes depending on weather conditions, in my experience. So, here's my final thoughts. The DJI Mavic 3 Pro is one of the most capable drones out there. The triple camera system makes it versatile for all kinds of content creators. From professional filmmakers to passionate hobbyists, the flight stability, obstacle sensing, and battery life all make it a solid performer. It's not cheap though, so if you're just getting started, it might be worth looking at the Mini or Air series, especially if your focus is on making social media content in vertical format. But if you're serious about quality and flexibility, the Mavic 3 Pro gives you a ton of creative control. Overall, if you're ready to invest in it, the Mavic 3 Pro won't disappoint.